civil emergency message until further notice. At the approximately 4:33 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, this message is transmitted at the request of the civil emergency message. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. In 4:33 p.m. A situation with a green creature and potato are attack building and dinosaur. The police was named as green creature is creeper, and also known as the rotten potato. We don't know what's happening. All residents can evacuation in the United States. If you do this, do not go outside every waste. It will explosion the house and kill. If you kill creature, use the weapon to shot the creature. Stay tuned for information about this situation.
Police, are we there yet to go to the fire station?
Not yet.
Not yet already!
No, I see your clock. It's so early afternoon at night. The sunset is very slow, and only the sound. The sunset is very dark.
Yes, I see this.
Okay, you were just kidding me. What was going on?
What the fuck is that the police car?
Hey, I just going to the fire station. How are you? What the Okay, put your hands up your air.
Sorry, there is a creature can't be weather. Don't shot me again.
Okay, you just kidding me. You like it this, huh?
Wait, do not shoot it.
Sorry.
Okay, you are already grounded next week, huh, Bong? Other than this, you are back to jail. Please, no, I'm sorry. If a police take your ass.
Dad, I hope Mom is...
Yes, we are sorry, we can miss it.
Okay.
911, what's your masquerade?
My radio is doing Jiwi. It is a confirmed I will leave the taxi with you. If you remember, I checked with okay.
Bringing in